tucked in his mother's arms, listens as she asks the Lord to keep him safe from harm. He looks at her and wonders as he hears his mama pray for God to bless the baby girl who will marry him someday. Keep her safe, make her strong, guard her body, heart, and soul, and let her life be filled with love. Like the path that she's begun, give her faith, for she's the one who will grow into the woman who will stand beside my son. Wading pools and big boy tools, his busy hands at play. Somewhere other tiny hands will join with his one day. Her heart goes out across the miles as she seeks her father's face. Prayers rise into heaven, transcending time and space.